like experiments? Well, if yes, then this spot is a must visit for you. Why? Let's find out.
Hi guys, welcome to Menchie's. So things are a bit different here. Like we sell yogurt by weight. So I'll explain how things work. So first we have, these are the yogurt flavors that we have, and we have 2 cups for you. Small one and the large one. So it goes by weight. So you're gonna pay according to the weight you fill in the cup. So now these are the machines. So if you want, for example, this flavor, you need to pull this one down, like all the way down. If you want this flavor, then you need to pull this one down, and if you want both, then the middle one. So this one goes for all the machines. Like we can make some that this is like your vanilla, then you can have some chocolate, and then for example you have one squirrel, both of this. So that's how you can choose any of the flavors, and after making your mix you can just take the scoop of whatever you want. So we have some dry toppings here, like you can have some of the Oreos, or maybe some gummies, or some watermelon slice. We have some nuts, or peanuts here, and we have some more things like fruits or brownies or cherries, strawberry sauce, cheesecakes. So you can add some of the cheesecakes here, some strawberry and one cherry on top. Then here we have sauce for you, like peanut sauce or Reese's chocolate sauce or caramel sauce. So you can just take the sauce, and here we go. So this is how it works, and this is how you can make your mix. It's been around 7 years, so but I am working since 1.5 years, so I'm not sure about that. But yeah, as far as I know, it's been located here since 7 years. We have like 12 kinds of frozen yogurt flavors, and we keep changing week by week. Then we have 6 kind of bubble teas, then 4 kind of smoothies, 5 kind of shakes. Then we have 11 kind of cheesecakes. Then we have birthday cakes. Then we also customize cakes for you. So yeah, this is like pretty much all. We got the raw kind of yogurt, like plain sorbet for the people who can't consume milk. Then we have NSA no sugar added flavors. Then we have tart flavors. So these are the basic yogurt that we have. Then we got the flavors from outside, additional flavors that we add according to the customer taste, according to the different flavors that we got from, like sunflowers. So these are some of the places that we got the flavors from. So we don't make it purely from the scratch. So we just mix and match things and flavors according to the book that we have from the Menchies. We have KETO, and we started this in summer around 2 weeks ago. We used to have 2 tables here with 3 chairs. Like today is rainy day, so we haven't got the chairs out. But yeah, we used to have place here, so kids love to sit outside and have some yogurt.
And is there a birthday coming up? Because they also host birthday parties for kids, for which you can book the whole place and have a good time. And with my sweet experiment, I'm heading to my next shop.